how to reset Shopify store to default. So if you want to reset your Shopify store to default, then first you can simply search for shopify.com and you can go for the website. And once you've done that, you can log into your account. And once you've logged in, here you will have this kind of interface, right? So as I have the new account, I have just created my account. So here on the first, it says that extend your trial and enjoy your first month for $1. So here you will have your plans. If you have not selected a plan, then you can simply go for select a plan, and then your plan will be added. So what you can do is simply come to the left, and here you can go for online store. And here you will have your themes, right? So make sure that you are on your current theme, and now we will restore that to default. So what you can do is simply go and click on this 3 dots and click on edit code, and here you will have this kind of interface, right? So you need to simply go for the left and click on templates, or you can also simply go for assets. And here you can simply go for the layout, which is on the first option, and then make sure to click on theme.liquid. So here you will have theme.liquid, and here you will have all of these codings, right? So, and you can simply scroll all the way down to the last of the code. So once you're here, you need to simply go for your 349 line, and then you need to select all of these 3 lines and make sure to delete these 3 lines. Hit the backspace. So these lines might be different on your computer or PC, so make sure to delete the lines which has settings. And once done, you can click on save, which will be here on the upper right. Click on save, and now your asset has been saved, and that should do it. And that's how you can reset your Shopify store to default. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.